The MiniSKY Cable Blowing Machine is designed to effortlessly install fiber optic cables into HDPE microducts, ensuring smooth, fast, and damage-free operations. It provides a highly efficient blowing process, reducing labor time and installation costs. Compatible with cable diameters from 2.5 mm to 16 mm. Supports microduct sizes from 7 mm to 50 mm. Operates with a single air motor, optional second air motor available. Forward and reverse blowing function. Seamless operation for increased flexibility. Quick change belt system. Swap between different cable sizes easily. Digital speed and distance counter. Track real-time performance. Precision belt sets. 4 different belt sets to accommodate various cable sizes. Adjustable air control. Ensures optimal airflow for different microduct diameters. With a sturdy design, safety features, and easy maintenance, MiniSKY ensures long-lasting performance. It includes a 2-year warranty, 10-year spare parts guarantee, and online and phone support for a seamless user experience. For more information, specifications, and ordering details, contact us today.